Renovating your Victorian house. Older homes may be beautiful, but they aren't designed for modern living. The floor plan of a Victorian house can seem cluttered and convoluted. Instead of open spaces, you may find a series of small rooms connected by a maze of hallways and doors. Don't remove entire walls in your older home. Instead, cut openings or archways. Leave a partial wall or decorative columns to provide structural support. Find extra storage space in the nooks and crannies of your Victorian home. Convert the area beneath the main stairway into a closet. Optimize space in narrow closets by placing poles sideways for easier access to hanging clothes. Install built-in bookcases and cabinets around doors and windows. Use wardrobes and armoires for additional storage. In keeping with a historic exterior, create bay-type window areas for more nooks and crannies. And then there's the bathroom. Although indoor plumbing was available at the turn of the century, the bathrooms, called water closets in Victorian days, were usually cramped by today's standards. All Victorian-era homes are not huge, rambling, ghost-infested structures. The modern family may need more headroom than smaller cottage-like dwellings can offer. The first rule of remodeling is, do no harm. As you update your older home, make sure to preserve its historic details. Living in an old house presents a difficult choice. Should you preserve the historic accuracy of your home? Or should you make some modernizations so that you can live more comfortably? Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.